Hi crafty friends, Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I am unboxing the Love Notes collection. This is the April 2025 card kit from Love From Lizi. This kit is packed full of supplies. Now I will have an affiliate link listed down below in the description box if you are interested, and I always appreciate when you shop my links as I receive a small commission at no extra charge to you. Let's start with the stamp set. So it's got this typewriter and then lots of usable sentiments. The greatest love story of all time, and they lived happily ever after, sending love, our friendship is my favorite story, once upon a time, and just a note. There's lots of little icons on there. You receive 6x6 double-sided paper, so we have 12 of these. So I'm going to first start by showing you the front side, and then I'll flip these over and you can see the back side. So there's lots of paper included this month. You can also see here that there's some cut aparts. So this would be great not only for card making, but this kit lends very well to scrapbooking as well. So here's these beautiful designs, some cameras, got some typewriters, lots of florals. So let me flip this over and I'll show you the other side. So we've got some beautiful patterns here. Here's some more cut aparts. I love that pink. We've got some stripes, some black and white hearts, some green. These are like squiggly lines. Can you see that? I'm trying to hold it up to the camera here. Then these are pencils. Super cute. I love a good plaid. And then I like these just like neutral papers that are just very easy to mix in with anything. So those are the 6x6 double-sided papers. Now this month, I can't believe it, you receive 8 sticker sheets. So check out all the stickers on here. There's a typewriter at the bottom, some pencils, a camera. We've got a telephone. So I think these are geared more towards scrapbooking, but you could also use them on cards. Really, really cute. Oh, I love this one. All florals. You could use that for anything. Then here's some sentiments. I love word strips. So this is a whole page of wordy bits. And then on this last sheet, or this is alphabets, and then this one is some border strips. I love border stickers. All right, this right here is the peel-offs that are included. These are mini hearts in white with a gold finish, and those are brand new. Then you receive this right here, and that was the printed foil vellum. And then this is new. This is a sample of 5 black glitter strips. So can you see the glitter in there? Now this is the embellishment bag. I'm going to set that aside. You receive some cardstock. So we have pink, sunshine, alcohol marker friendly white, black, and strawberry red. Those are 8.5 by 11. Then we have some extra sheets. Now there are 3 12 by 12 sheets that are cut aparts, and these were cut to fit in the bag, but you can see here they equal up to 12 by 12 sheets, but I just love the patterns. There's cut aparts too, but I love the pattern paper, and I think those will be great just to have some extra paper for creating the cards. Really, really pretty. There's also some good sentiments on here as well. All right, now let's take a look at the embellishment bag. So the first thing I'm going to pull out here is the Love Notes floral border die. So you can see that would make a really pretty border. You could paper piece that, ink it up, color it up. Then we have a piece of black mesh. This is so unique. I love that. Last month, I know the kit had a mesh piece like that, and I loved it. Then in here, we have a length of gold sequin ribbon, black and white paper twine, gold foil, and black satin ribbon. So lots. Here's the sequin one. I wasn't going to pull all of these out, but they all came out. So here they are. I'm going to place these back into the bag so I don't lose them. And then continuing on our embellishment bag, I have lots of buttons. So we have 3 wooden heart buttons and 3 wooden round buttons. And then there's 3 black satin bows. So I like that the bows are already tied. It looks perfect. And then on here, we also have a strip of green gems. Okay, now I want to show you the add-ons. So we'll first start with the Love Notes Pinstripe Bundle. The first one I have here are the red with gold finish. Then we have the gold mirror. We have ice blue mirror pinstripes and apple green mirror pinstripes. I love these. These add-ons are all so amazing. The next one I have here are the Love Notes Variety Bundle peel-offs. And the first one here are mini stars in black. And you can see here there's 3 different sizes. Then we have Sway Pink Iridescent Glitter. So can you see the sway design? Then we have Butterfly Border Gold Moon Dust peel-offs. I love those. And then the Straight Mint Glitter. Super pretty peel-offs this month. There's also an add-on of a specialty bundle that is 8.5 by 5.5 inches. This is the specialty cardstock bundle. We have black glitter, gold mirror, green glitter, red mirror, black mirror, and matte gold mirror. So like I said, if you are interested in this kit, please check the description box below. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I will be creating with this kit later on my channel. And I also have an 8-card 1-kit video that we'll be posting later this month on the Love From Lizi YouTube channel. If you don't already follow me on Facebook and on Instagram, I would love for you to follow me on those platforms as well. Leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite is in the kit this month. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!